Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Steve, and if you did not see my last video, boy was this a trip from heck. So I ended up finding out what my issue was. If you guys did notice that I said that I ended up losing my taillights and brake lights and everything, well, here it is. I ended up having a wire pull out from the harness here, and it ended up shorting out taillights and all the lights on the trailer. None of them work. So I found the problem. Not a big deal. This ended up pulling out. We'll get it all fixed up, but we'll make that for another video. So as you do know, the axle's a little jacked up. We need tires, blah 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 blah. I'm not going to get into it, but today is obviously about the Bruce project. So if you guys didn't see the video where we ended up tipping it on its side, I'm going to say tipping because I don't want to say rolling, because rolling makes me feel like I didn't, I did something wrong. But we did end up tipping him on his side, and he's been hurt ever since. One of the other things that we ended up doing after the roll was we decided that it was time. I don't know why that door sometimes opens, sometimes doesn't. Actually, I'm going to put in a clip of me getting it off the trailer here real quick, and then we'll get back into it. All right, so like I was saying, so if you guys didn't know, we did have it down at Regal Metalworks, and they went up and went ahead and fabbed up a roll cage for us, got our steering column mounted nice and tight, and ever since then, the Bruce has been kind of hard to start. So let me jump up in here and I'll show you what we're working with, and then we're gonna do a compression test on all the cylinders of this thing, and hopefully get some good readings. I hope. If not, we could have a fuel issue, because as we do know, my fuel tank isn't sealed. We could have got water in the fuel. I don't know, but we're going to diagnose what the issue is with the Bruce right now, because I want to get him, running tip-top shape. Actually looks like there's been wildlife living in here, but I want to get him back up to tip-top shape, especially since wintertime is coming and I want to be able to play with it in the snow. So let me get up in here. We'll get him fired up, or hopefully get him fired up, and go from there. But let's see if he'll fire up today. Nope, battery is stone dead, which Cole did tell me it died on him. So let me get a jumper cables and see what we can do here. Alrighty, let's see if he'll fire. Oh, he almost fired there. He's definitely not sounding healthy, guys. All right, well, let's run and get some spark plugs for it, and I'm gonna actually get a compression tester for it too. Might as well check compression while we're here and while we got the plugs out before we put new plugs in. But let's just jump in the I don't know, what should we take? Let's take the OBS. Let's take the OBS and go get some parts. All right, and a truck that we know will start every single time because well, Danny buttoned this one up for me, is the OBS truck, which we are giving away. So head on over to senditstevemerch.com, get your entries while it lasts, and you could win this truck. So we're gonna take this truck here to get the parts that we need and the compression tester. I'm just gonna run over to Harbor Freight real quick. Also looks like we're due for some fuel, so we'll probably go ahead and fuel this thing up while we're out and about and be good to go. So let's head on over to Harbor Freight, grab a compression tester, and hopefully be able to fix the Bruce. Again, it's www.senditstevemerch.com is an entry to win the OBS Chevy. I'll get some clips too while we're out and about with it too. I'm sure you guys are dying to see this thing. So let's hit the road. Alrighty, well, we've arrived in the OBS truck here to Harbor Freight Tools. Let's go get our compression tester. Alrighty, we are good to go back in the OBS, and now I'll have to get some spark plugs. Stop, Advance Auto. We got the goods. Let's jump back in the OBS and get home. I'll be honest, getting Mo's car seat in the back isn't the most easy thing to do, but I do love driving this thing. Definitely running out of parking here, so we're just going this way. Oh yes, what a beast. Now I'm sure this doesn't look like much to a lot of you guys, but if I come down here, you can obviously tell that that is now way over my head. So it climbs up it with ease. I cannot wait to hand these keys over to one of you guys. So again, senditstevemerchant.com, you will win this truck. It is freaking amazing. I really do wish I could get Mo's car seat in and out of it a lot easier. I would drive this thing until I give it away, but we do drive it from time to time, and it's basically when Mo's at daycare. All right, compression test in the Bruce. I'm gonna apologize ahead of time if you guys look at my butt a lot in this video. I'm sorry. It's not my intention, not my goal. You're also probably wondering why I'm taking the fender off, and it would literally be a straight shot if I get the wheel liner out. So that's what we're gonna do. Plus, it'll be easier to make a video for you guys. Now you guys will see why I wanted to do that, because it's just so much easier to reach right on in here, and then I'll go ahead and be able to do our compression test. So let me go ahead and get the plugs all out of everything, and we'll start our compression test. Alrighty, we got that on cylinder 1 here. Let's see what our compression is in cylinder 1. Okay, cylinder 1 don't look bad. It's sitting right about 140. Not sure how well you guys can see that. Right about 140, I'd say. Let's get it out of here and move on to the next one. Let's see what cylinder 3 has to offer here. All right, not too shabby. 140 also on the dot. Now I'm gonna keep going here. I'm not gonna do this for every single cylinder with you guys, but maybe I'll time lapse it here for you guys, and then I'll get back with you with the numbers. Cylinder 5. That one's a little low at 125. Not too terrible though. I'm not too upset about that. Let's keep going. Cylinder 7. And that one's back up at 140. That one's actually like 143-ish, but we'll call that 140. All right, over to the other side. Not too shabby. That one's probably sitting at like 135, so I'm okay with that one. All right, try cylinder 4 here. one's actually higher than all the others. That one's sitting right around 150. Alrighty, on to cylinder 6. That one's real high, sitting right at 150. I'll take it, I guess. Alrighty, cylinder 8. Let's see if we got low compression. That one's down to about 140, so not hateful, guys. Not what I was looking to find. So we'll move on to the next thing, which is probably bad fuel, guys. So, I mean, at this rate, we do know we have an issue, and we're going to have to figure it out. I'm going to guess that it's either bad fuel or a coil pack, or maybe I do have the MSD two-step in there, or a Lingenfelder two-step in there. Maybe the two-step went bad and, you know, it's not, you know, firing the coil packs off. I don't know. But from here on out, I think we're going to be good with the compression. Cylinder 5 is down a little compared to the rest, but it's not terribly hateful. So I don't think I have blown head gaskets or anything, which if I did, maybe cylinder 5 might be bad, but I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and put new plugs in here, and if I can't get it to fire, we're going to go ahead and unplug the two-step, which we have in it, because maybe I have a malfunction with the two-step. It's not completely bogus that we might, but who knows? I don't know. I just want to check everything, make sure this thing's good to go, because ideally I would like to do some four-wheeling once we get some snow. So let me keep plugging and chugging, get some plugs back in here, because we're rapidly losing daylight. Keep in mind, guys, it's only like 4 o'clock right now. All right, well, you can tell here this spark plug wire is definitely gotten chewed up. I'm glad it actually caught my eye to check it. This is the one where when the steering column and everything was loose, that this was just laying here, and this was obviously the plug too. You can see a crack right down the center. If the GoPro will zoom in, it's not functioning well, but I do believe that that is our issue of why it would not fire up. I'm gonna get new plugs tossed in here and put a new wire on, and we should be good to go. Plug our fuel pump back in. Alrighty, well, moment of truth. Let's see if that wire and the plugs were our issue. Well, he almost started there. Bunch of raw fuel in there because it has been sitting, and I have obviously been trying to crank it prior to all of this, but we should be good to go for a little bit. See if we can get some flame action for you guys here. Bruce is back alive. I think we do have some bad gas too, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain the fuel here and put 93 in it, because I think the last time I filled it up I only put 87 in it. But let's see here if it fires up right now. Oh yeah, he's firing right up now, guys. Woo! I think we dodged a major bullet on this one. The Bruce is back up and running. I no longer need to pull it all around, and I'll actually be able to take it to the garage now, because, you know, I'm kind of tired of storing it here. But from now on, guys, I think I need to start checking my my plugs and my wires. they're definitely definitely bad. Alrighty guys, well, we obviously found our solution and our problem. We definitely needed plugs and wires in the old girl. I'm actually gonna go ahead tomorrow and pick up a new set of wires because it doesn't hurt. I need another set for another vehicle that we're building. As you guys do know, I'm not gonna point it out or anything. I'm just trying to gather all the parts together for that other vehicle and just be ready and just be done. Because I know it's killing you guys that I have all these projects. I got stuff laying around everywhere. I know it's bothering you guys. It's actually bothering me now. As you guys do know, I was starting to truck shop, and I think I'm gonna hold off now on the truck shopping and kind of just stay with the F450 for a while, because the F450 has been treating me very, very well. We did just go on that 5-hour road trip. It was 130 miles each direction. The truck did absolutely amazing, minus the blown fuse from the wire that you've seen earlier in the video. So I think we're gonna keep the F450 and not look for another truck, but definitely got to have a video on the trailer of what we're gonna do with the trailer, and you know, just keep plugging away at our projects, guys. So there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I can promise you we're gonna have a lot more fun with the Bruce. I'm gonna actually physically make a cooling system with it. I got a new radiator for it. I got new hoses because one of the hoses broke. It broke at the last mud bog, and we'll get all that addressed. So the next time you see this thing, guys, it will probably be for a set of gears, and you know, I'm just kind of gonna keep him around for, you know, I don't know, just for some fun, some pleasure, and see what we can get into. But again, guys, don't forget about the OBS giveaway. That giveaway is ending very, very soon, on the 16th of December. It's going to be here before you know it. It's already the 21st or 22nd at this point. So hurry up, get your entries. Every dollar you spend on www.senditstevemerch.com is an entry to win that OBS truck. Don't mind the plane going overhead right now. All right, guys. Well, that wraps this video up. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.